I want to share a truth that many won't tell you. There's one skill out there that can pay you more than a traditional college degree, and it's something you can start learning right now. When I was in college, like many of you, I believed that a degree was the golden ticket to success. But after graduating, I quickly realized something: having a degree alone doesn't guarantee a high-paying job or financial freedom. So I started exploring skills that businesses actually pay for, skills that solve real problems. That's when I discovered data analysis and automation, especially mastering tools like Excel and Power BI. Suddenly, I was not just a graduate, but someone who could turn data into decisions, and companies noticed. This skill lets you save companies hours of manual work, build reports that drive million-dollar decisions, automate boring tasks so teams focus on growth, and the best part? You don't need expensive certifications or years of experience to start. Just consistent learning and practice. If you're tired of feeling stuck or undervalued, consider investing your time into skills that make you indispensable. This one skill, the data mastery, can pay you more, faster, than many traditional degrees. In this video, I'll share why this skill matters, how I got started, and how you can too.